Alright, so here's that tool from the last video. He had that D13 come in for squealing noises. Ended up figuring out it was a high pressure boost leak at acceleration. So what I did to figure this out, we didn't have any tools to do this, so I made one. Took some 5-inch exhaust pipe, cut it on the bandsaw, had some scrap steel laying around, drilled a hole, welded a nipple in place. That is fed by this 1/4-inch air line going into this directional valve. Got the off-on switch, regulator, PSI gauge, and obviously got to have your connection for the air line. So yeah, welded in place. It worked out pretty good. 10 PSI. I was able to figure out that leak pretty quick there. And that is about it. But